The new technologies with internet connectivity, called IoT, allows us to monitor and remotely manage a heating plant. Giordano Group has developed a complete solution: Wi-Fi connectivity, the software solution for data management by creating new added values for the market, the convergence of machine data in a cloud platform enables the manufacturers to monitor remotely in real time effective system operation wherever located, improving the functionality as necessary. Servicing to receive automatically fault warnings, to predict breakage or malfunction of individual parts for effective and timely repair servicing. End user to monitor effective functioning through statistical analysis and report overall equipment effectiveness. Giordano Group has developed the right user-friendly interface, which can be scaled and customized to end-user requirements. A PC web page and an app for smartphones and tablet. Data access is protected by the highest standard of security and confidentiality as per national and international privacy laws.